Here's Kansas City's most accurate forecast from meteorologist Lindsey Anderson.
Oh, and look at those faces. They'll tell you right away when they're too hot. They'll find the shade, or maybe they won't even let you take them outside. That's what happened to my dog this morning. Okay, today we got up to 97 degrees. We had a forecast high of 98, so our final 3-degree warranty winner is Michael Bailey. So Gary Lezak is back on Monday, and he will draw the big grand prize for the month of June, $500 to Price Chopper. How awesome is that? 84 degrees, current temperature at KCI. It's a clear sky out there. Dew points are still near 70 degrees, so it is warm, it is muggy, and will likely stay that way through the overnight. 91 degrees still downtown Kansas City due to all the buildings and the cement there. In Lawrence, we're at 88, 85 in St. Joseph, 84 Richmond, and Warrensburg this evening. We're at 82 degrees. Getting closer to the 435 loop. Lee Summit, we're down to 83, same for Liberty and Olathe, but still holding on to 88 degrees in Bonner Springs. Overnight tonight, we'll fall into the upper 70s, some of us staying in the lower 80s, very similar to the morning that we woke up to this morning. There will be a nice breeze as well out of the south, 5 to 15 miles per hour. So big time warm up ahead of us once again for tomorrow. Highs will reach the lower and middle 90s, reaching 92 by 1 o'clock and 95 by 3 p.m. Noticing a little more cloud cover tomorrow than we did today, and our heat index values will be well into the triple digits between 100 and 105 degrees, getting up to 97 downtown, 96 in Chillicothe and at KCI. Lawrence, 96 degrees, your high temperature tomorrow, getting up to 94 for Warrensburg and Clinton. When we get there, if we get there, we'll certainly make it our second heat wave of the season because we need 3 consecutive days of 95 degrees or hotter, and so far we've had 2 of those in a row. So due to that excessive heat, those warnings in place for all of our pink counties, including the Kansas City Metro, up until Saturday at 7 p.m. Then by Saturday night to Sunday, much needed changes, needed relief moves our way. It's the storm system that we're watching across the plains and into the Rocky Mountains, already bringing some showers and thunderstorms to areas like North Dakota, South Dakota, into Nebraska and Kansas. Some severe thunderstorms out in western Kansas as well. So that's the cloud cover that we'll have to deal with for part of the day tomorrow, as well as a chance for a few of those scattered showers and thunderstorms. So first off on our powercast, we are noticing a lot of sunshine at 3 p.m., 98 degrees in Kansas City. As this front moves a bit closer to us, we could see this line of storms make it into northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas, I'd say anywhere between 8 and 10 p.m. Then by Sunday morning, that front will eventually get to Kansas City, resulting in some potentially heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds after midnight for Kansas City, and continue through Sunday morning between 6 and 10 a.m. or so. Then things should dry out for the rest of Sunday with a high temperature in the 80s. We dropped 10 degrees compared from Saturday to Sunday. There is a slight risk for severe thunderstorms due to those gusty winds and potentially hail and heavy rain as well in northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas. Some of us definitely getting in on some beneficial rainfall, maybe up to a ½ inch for some, 1 inch most likely in northern Missouri. I think that's optimistic speaking because this storm system might fall apart pretty rapidly before it reaches Kansas City. Just something to watch if you'll be camping outside or if you have plans to be outside tonight and tomorrow. But 86 Sunday looks pretty good.
At the very least, it will cool us down, as you mentioned, just back to average temperatures.
Yeah, much nicer.
All right, Dee Jackson.
Jayhawks hoping that they're not cooling down at all. They will have a very stacked